What up people, this is A-Rod A Millie, and today I'm gonna be using the Apple Vision Pro and try to cut my son's hair. Let's see how that goes. Now I'm gonna adjust the headband and get a little bit comfortable. This is gonna take around 45 minutes to 1 hour to get this haircut done. Wow, this is super immersive. I gotta give you that, Apple. I can see everything like 3D. I see my hands. Of course, first step, I'm gonna be putting on my gloves, grabbing my Babyliss clippers, pretty just sinking in and very shocking experience. It takes you to a different whole world of, virtual reality. I got the new Babyliss Lithium FX all matte black. It has the blue blade on the top, and I think they look sick. Let's try them out. First, I'm gonna section my son's hair. I'm getting this crisp shot. My brother Chedas recording the video as I record POV doing this haircut. And the crazy part is that I can see what I'm doing at the same time I can record it. So anybody watching this video can have a feel of everything that I'm doing, from how I grab my clippers to how I see and elaborate the cut. Also, I'm recording with the censored cameras, spatial recording. So like if I play it back, I literally feel like I'm on that same moment again. And you can expand that as big as you want. Right now, talking a little bit about the haircut, I created my guideline. I'm creating a nice burst fade. We're gonna be doing like a little mullet. To my son, this is his favorite cut right now, and mine as well. So we're rocking the same cut. I'm not gonna lie, it's weird. It doesn't feel normal to look through these glasses because the actual camera is displaying everything in front of you on your eyes, so it's not seeing through it. It's just a picture of the live video. As you can see, I can pop up the apps right in the air. I can play with them. I can watch a tutorial on how to do certain haircuts and certain styles, learn from that YouTube video, and at the same time try it on a client or anything like that. These are things that I'm seeing that can help somebody that's using it to learn new techniques and things like that, because you can just set windows and do what you see right in front of you, and you can customize it so you can feel very comfortable. Right now I'm laying the hair down, do some shear work, get some length off the top. My wife said his curls were too long, so I'm bringing them down. So we're standing with a guide in the middle, sectioning that out. And this is my first guideline. I'm getting the correct length. And after that, we're gonna continue our pattern cutting forward. I'm editing the video on the actual Apple Vision Pro. I'm connected to my computer, and I'm doing the voiceover looking at the screen and using my iPhone 15 Pro Max as my mic. That's the way I'm doing this video right now. I'm a little bit of a rush, so I just took a quick second to create this video. Now I'm about to prepare the hair to be styled, so the first thing I'm going to be using is our level 3 hair tonic. Now I'm going to be applying the level 3 cream gel. This is an amazing gel for all day medium hold. It gives you long lasting shine as well. This is the new Babyliss Nano Titanium Limited Edition Black and Blue Professional High Speed Dual Icon Dryer. So what I did is I placed the diffuser on the top to get these curls nice and dry without too much air force going on that hair. Now I'm gonna be applying a little bit bit of our hairspray. This is gonna be on the lineup, and I'm gonna brush down the hairs. The hairsprays lock those tiny baby hairs in the front and give me the ability to go in with my Babyliss trimmers and create a nice, crisp lineup. Check it out. That's so good. Hey, buddy, don't move. It was moving right there, but you gotta be precise. This is very important to just be careful when cutting kids and doing their lineup especially. Alright, now I'm gonna be using our level 3 matte putty. This is gonna give us a matte finish. It's gonna hold curls nice and tight. No shine, none of that. All I'm gonna be using is a tiny bit, and I'm just gonna curl it up, going around and around and around and around. I gotta say, it's pretty difficult to cut with these headsets. The cut came out cool. I have no issues with the haircut, but it could have been cleaner. I feel like if I don't cut the hair with the headset, it's gonna be so much fresher and so much cleaner. This is just a friendly review. He's happy, so I'm happy. But if you're trying to buy the Apple Vision Pro, your eyes are better than it.